Stars and Stripes RC out at Maloof Airfield today with the new FMS 1500mm Cessna 182. Justin Newland on the camera today.
Good morning.
Got fog on the back glass. It's kind of cool out. I want to get a picture inside here, Justin.
All right.
We have the instrument panel details.
Some scale detail right there.
The kick-ass pilot in there.
He's ready to fly.
And my La Perriere 3300 4-cell. I've been under the weather for a few days. My dog's been in and out of the emergency vet. Just now getting it out, guys. But we're gonna go for it. I got 6 minutes, Justin. I'll see what happens. Nobody's here today, Justin, so once I take off, we'll step up to the white line and get some good close by.
Okay, that sounds good.
That rudder, I had it 100% DR, man. It don't need it. I backed it down to 75 and it's still a lot, so I'm gonna back it down again later. All right, Justin.
Send it, bud.
Ought to be able to see the nav lights a little better today. It's kind of dusky. Check trim. Hands off, brother.
Wow.
So that's why I say set up your trims on the ground or your throws on the ground. Get them under power, level them manually. Them lights, brother.
Looks pretty. Look at that.
This thing's going to be a nice beginner plane. Got the Reflex version 3 in it. That's full throttle. So I'm going to come by full throttle and then I'm going to go up, check vertical.
All right.
Vertical is not great, but it has plenty of power on 4-cell. Then we go up again. When is Cessna supposed to do that crap, man?
When you're flying it.
Yeah, no, when you're flying it. It's a scale plane, guys. You know, I know people like to do test its limits, I guess you might say, right?
Well, it definitely takes it up to that intermediate level. I mean, look how well it's performing.
Yeah,
If you really want to turn it up, you can. Look at that.
It'll do on 4-cell. It'll do some 3D maneuver. I'm gonna take it up just a little bit. I want to test the inverted on it just to see. Very little elevator input on the inverted. So I know that I got my battery situated pretty good. Going up. I mean, that's
Pretty good.
very little input on the elevator when I go inverted.
Bird strike.
That's on high rate.
That was a good look at her.
You know, for $299, it's a good price point, I think, on this plane. Well, that was
Touch and go.
pretty crappy touch and go.
How'd that landing gear feel? Was it like bouncy, or I couldn't really tell?
Well, I think I just let the throttle go and it came down to it. I didn't let it come in.
Got it. Came in a little too hard.
Yeah. See, that's what you gotta do.
There you go. Much better.
Just feather it in on the mains. I got a feeling on high rates I could actually do a 4-point roll on this, but I'm not going to attempt it. Landing, Justin.
Copy that.
Maybe you got some maidens you want to do, and
Nice. Beautiful. Wow.
a little too hard on the reverse for us.
That's some aggressive reverse.
It's got some really strong reverse thrust to it.
Nice flight.
All right, Justin.
She's pretty. Look at that.
There you go, man. Cessna 182. Look for my discount codes on my comment section and a link to Hyperior. Let's pause and check the battery.
All right.
There you go. All right, man. I hit the reverse thrust a little too hard on that one, Justin. Tipped the
Sounded
wing
cool,
on
though.
reverse, but hey, it's all good. I'm gonna check the level on this Hyperior 3300. I went 5 minutes and 5.5 minutes ish. Did a lot of full throttle.
Definitely a sportier flight this time.
Yeah. FMS sent me this. They got these little Predator battery checkers out. I already know right now that these things only check cells individually. So I'm gonna give this a shot first, then check it on the level, the total. Let's see. There we go. It's loud. 15.4 is what it's saying by this.
Right.
3.82 per cell. Let's check it with the one I've been using here. So basically, after that 5.5 minute flight, I got 44% at 1533.
Maybe that 15.4 was your overall percentage of what's left.
Yeah,
as
could
far
be.
as voltage.
Could be. I mean, I like to look at this number.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And this, I mean, I like to look at this.
Yeah, I'm lazy. I like the percentages.
I like the total.
Yeah, I do too.
So 44% ain't bad. I could have went 6 minutes.
Oh,
easy
for sure. That's a
on
good
that.
flight.
So again, FMS, get you a Cessna, man. They're great. They're great sport planes. They're a great trainer plane, all around great plane. Thanks for watching.